Hey guys, Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. As always, if you haven't, make sure you go ahead, smash that like, subscribe button. Again, that way you'll know when our content goes live. And we appreciate you supporting the cause and all the content that we're producing. So some awesome news that I found, and that is that the Ethereum Foundation has confirmed the September dates for the merge. So if you're not aware, the Ethereum blockchain, obviously one of the largest, I think the largest blockchain in all of crypto, is making this transition from proof of work over to proof of stake, and they're calling it the merge. So it's been in development for quite some time, and it's getting very close to launch. Obviously, it's been pushed back a couple times, but ever since they announced this September timeframe, they've been sticking to that. And obviously, now that we're here basically at the end of August, it seems like it is moving forward. So Ethereum developers have officially confirmed September 6th. So September 6th, guys, as the date for Ethereum's long anticipated transition from proof of work to proof of stake, also known as the merge. So it's going to be split up into two separate upgrades. So one's called Bellatrix and one is called Paris. So Bellatrix is timed to occur at 11:34 a.m. UTC on September 6th. And Paris will be triggered sometime between September 10th and September 20th, according to the post that they actually made on Twitter, which is awesome. So we have found out now, again, these dates are going to be the official time frame for when things are getting done. Obviously, we went through the test nets and all that stuff. So Bellatrix, you'll see right here in this post. Hopefully you can see that right there. September 6th, and then Paris, the 10th through the 20th. Now, the target that they have been announcing for Paris, which is when they are officially switching, making the official final change from proof of work to proof of stake, is supposed to be September 15th and 16th, is what we've publicly been seeing. That's kind of been the known date that's been posted, kind of all over the place, right? So what they have said is that the date might still change due to the block times and the hash rate fluctuations. So it could happen as many as 5 days earlier or 5 days later, which is why they've given us this range. So what we have found out can happen is if the hash rate does drop significantly, the developers can actually manually override the chain and just go full sendy, just send it. And then Ethereum proof of stake will be in existence. Now, it's actually very interesting to note that once this officially does happen, that the energy reduction on the Ethereum network is going to be huge. It's going to be actually 99.95%, because obviously with it being proof of work, there's a lot of energy being used to confirm those transactions. So this is obviously something huge. There's a lot of push right now for people, or for chains to switch over from proof of work to proof of stake. Energy is kind of the big deal on that. I know there's been a little bit on both sides of it lately, and it'll be kind of interesting to see how this all plays out. Hopefully, obviously, everything goes smoothly. We'd really like to see that happen. How the market's going to react to that too is another big question. Obviously, we don't know that yet, but we'll all just kind of be sitting here in anticipation and seeing how it all plays out. But figured I'd at least bring this information to you guys, because now we obviously have official dates, how it's going to all occur, and what the end game is going to look like. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, again, make sure you go ahead, smash that like, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell too, because in that way you'll get notified when we have any content that goes live. Hope you have an awesome day, and I look forward to catching you in the next one.